Hello everybody, Helsing Gaming here once again in the grim darkness of the future where there is no peace and there is only war.
Only in war are we truly faithful!
We are right back into Warhammer 40k, Space Marine, right where we left off. Leandros is still regrettably here, and we still have our objective.
Sedona's picked up local Imperial Guard communications. They survived under the shadow of that guard. I want to know how.
Alright, so we're going to go help some Imperial Guardsmen, which if you're curious, are just normal everyday people trying their best to fight against the Horde, and I think I just accidentally killed one of them. But yeah, in case you're new to Warhammer 40k, we're what's called Space Marines, which are basically super soldiers. And then there's things called Guardsmen, which are just like normal everyday people in like normal combat gear with laser guns granted, but they're laser guns that are like, compared to everything else in Warhammer 40k, actually like astonishingly weak. But they're normal humans serving the Emperor, doing everything that they possibly can. And I have the utmost respect for them.
We are not sheep, we are soldiers, we are soldiers, yeah!
Wow, this guy's got a heavy bolter though mounted, so he'll be fine. Thank you for the ammo, Guardsman.
My lord, you have saved us.
Rise, Guardsmen. You saved yourselves. We thought you did.
We would be, my lord, if not for the lieutenant.
Where will we find this lieutenant?
At the front lines. Follow the trench network to the lieutenant's command bunker.
Carry on, Guardsmen. We rendezvous with Sedona's, then we find this lieutenant. We need updated intel on the gun battery.
Through here, my lords. Head out the upper level and continue through the plaza. The bunker is beyond that.
Actually, I want to see if I can take this. Guardsman, would you mind surrendering your heavy bolter to me? By the Emperor, I will blow your fucking head off. Alright, fine. I guess I can't have fun in this game. I'll just have to stick with my normal bolter for now. Which, honestly, is...
200 against 1,000,000 orcs. They fight on.
Get off!
I will endure 1,000 deaths before I yield.
My legs. I can't feel my legs.
Jeez. Also, yeah, in case you're kind of curious, normal like Guardsmen kind of see us as like holy figures, because it's actually pretty rare for...
I'm in position at a broken monument near the guard lines.
Okay. I also love the environments of this game. You really get the sense that this is like a war-torn planet-wide invasion, because everything is just in ruins. There's dead bodies everywhere, dead orcs, dead guardsmen. You just really get the sense that there's like death and destruction everywhere you go.
Sergeant, I see you found something to keep you busy.
Worry not, Captain. I've saved some orcs for you. The orcs have got that gun well defended, no mistake. But typical orc behavior would be to dismantle or destroy the gun.
And certainly not use it to keep our forces at bay. There's a strategy behind it. Their leader is no fool.
The orcs strategy.
Interesting.
I may have encountered the orc during our jump to the surface.
That was the orc ship I saw crash near here, I take it. Did he survive?
If the Horde hasn't turned on itself, it's still under his control.
Finally. The Mark 11 Hell's Teeth Chainsword is the close combat weapon of choice among Space Marines, combining terrifying power and great speed. So yeah, this is, in case you're curious, yeah, it is literally a chainsaw sword. Yeah! And that, as I said, much better executions. And much better stunning. Oh, I love this game so much. I shudder the ground with the force of the Emperor. Die! I love this game so much, man. I love Warhammer 40k. Alright, chainsword, much better melee weapon than the combat knife. We may actually survive this now. Facing the wrong way there, bud. Come here! Yeah! Phantom chokeslam, wasn't even touching him. That's how powerful I am. Everyone knows that Space Marines don't even have to grab their enemies in order to grab them. Whoa, the sound effects of this game are so good. I also love how your armor will like actually get covered in blood as well, especially like after close combat.
Blood for the blood god!
That was true. Also in this game it actually pays to explore because you'll get like ammo or more grenades or like audio recordings. There may not be as many audio recordings because I've found a lot of them. So unless I find any new ones that I didn't before.
Target that squig!
Target that squig. I also love the names of things in this universe, like squigs. They're just like explosive little gremlin things. Oh, there's one. Actually gonna switch to my bolter pistol because I die in one shot from penny gun. So might as well not waste ammo. Wow, the orcs are more effective at killing themselves than me. Fear not, Guardsmen, the cavalry has arrived. The cavalry is running away. Don't worry, the Emperor protects and such. That's a lot of gremlins. Now they're all dead. Come here! Grr! Die, heretic! Nice work, Guardsmen. Keep firing and anything will eventually fall. No matter how strong the opponent,
Dropship incoming!
no matter how strong the opponent, everything dies eventually, Guardsmen. Remember that. War quotes with Helsing Gaming. No! You killed him before I could execute him, Guardsman. Ooh, we got big boys now. Ah, shit. My ex-girlfriend Karen. She's come back for the kids.
I fear no death, for the Emperor will protect me.
Also, yeah, like one shot from these guys like takes out your shield, but that is still nothing for me.
Space Marines, thank you. We thought we were done for. Where is your commander, Guardsman?
Inside with the door sealed.
I believe they will let us through. Imperial Guard, we are Ultramarines. Open this door.
Yep. Just one simple request. One simple word of mouth, and they instantly obey me.
Headed here from the south. Direction stuff. Source throats and lights.
Yeesh, sounds like you guys aren't doing too good then. But unfortunately, I am going to have to leave them right here as they are for now, because that's all the time I have for this episode. Why is it whenever I try to end these things, we always get artillery shelled? But yeah, anyway, that's all I'm going to do it for part 2 of Warhammer 40k Space Marines. Thank you all so much for watching. I've been Helsing Gaming. You guys have been absolutely fantastic. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that other stuff. And I will see all you guys when hopefully we don't get artillery shelled into oblivion. Bye guys.